Breaking into crumbs everywhere. I know you're not trying to laugh, Daddy. How are you? My head's gonna smell like chips tomorrow. Oh my god, this is breaking into my crumbs. Oh. If I had a bit higher, I would have got it. Yes, I would too, Daddy. Oh. Oh no!
You really want it to go in, don't you? Oh.
If I got it in, that would be hilarious. Oh, George Shamba. No, I was never close.
Okay. Oh, big tooth.